Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Paul, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about my diesel watch. I came across this watch about 2 years ago, and I can say it caught my eye from the first moment I saw it. It comes in a black box, and as you could expect from Diesel brand, it looks amazing, which makes it a perfect gift. I bought this watch while I was in Italy for 149 euros, which is around 160 US dollars. And luckily for whoever wants to buy it, you can have it now for almost half the price I paid. There's a link in the description, so make sure to check it out. And there it is. For those of you not familiar with this brand, Diesel is an Italian retail clothing company. However, in the 2000s, they licensed their brand to other manufacturers, so their watches are actually made by Fossil. And as you would expect, you get some flashy watches that use high quality materials while still being affordable, offering a good value for money. And back to our watch, it has a round stainless steel case which is around 42 millimeters in diameter and around 10 millimeters in thickness, so it's quite large, I would say. It has a nice blue pattern dial covered by hardened mineral glass, and what I really love about its looks is the way they combine these polished surfaces with brushed ones. And on the downside, it has this piece of metal with the logo on top, which looks nice, but it obstructs the minute hand, so you can't really see precisely what time is it. However, it has some screw on the side, so I think it can be removed if that bothers you. And the strap is made out of really nice dark brown leather with a classic buckle clasp made out of steel. And while the leather is quite thick, it's also very soft and easy to handle, so it will have a nice feeling on your wrist. The functions are limited to timekeeping and a small date display, which is quite hard to read, honestly. And in order to adjust it, you can do it by simply pulling the stem in the first position and turning the crown in a counterclockwise direction. There you can see. And this is the way it looks on your wrist. In my opinion, it's not one of the best watches out there, but I think it's worth the money you pay. It's made with high quality material, and most of all, it has some distinctive looks which won't go unnoticed. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, as it helps me a lot, and you will be notified whenever I post new reviews. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.